Back at it again at Krispy Kreme.
Are they helium balloons?
Yeah,
I told you the car's not here for helium balloons.
It's too late.
Oh, we're flying away.
Stop! I could have dropped my croissant!
Don't you yell at your mother. You think that's funny?
Allie! Oh, for fuck's sake! Fuck off, Allie! Fucking hell!